To ensure your dates are correctly formatted in Excel, see this. Here's a step-by-step guide based on Windows 10. First, set Windows regional settings. Open Windows Settings. Navigate to Time and Language. And select Region. Choose your desired country or region, like the United States or India, which matches your preferred date format. Select the appropriate regional format, such as English, United States, or English, India. Second, format dates in Excel. Open your Excel spreadsheet. Select the cells containing the dates you want to format. Right-click on the selected cells and choose Format Cells. In the Format Cells dialog box, go to the Number tab and select Date from the category list. Choose a date format that aligns with your regional settings. For instance, in the US, the format is typically mm/dd/YYYY, while in the UK, it's dd/mm/YYYY. If the standard options don't meet your needs, you can create a custom format. For example, if you want date.monthname.year and day name in brackets, click on Custom and enter this format. And that's it. By ensuring your regional settings are correct and selecting the right date format in Excel, you'll prevent common date-related issues and ensure your data remains accurate and easily interpretable. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.